Listen carefully. Placed in front of you are two identical toys. One for Pere and Angel.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I need you to follow my analogy from the beginning of this video to the end. But please, before I do that, please like this video. Thank you very much. So tonight, the Sunday Live Eviction show started, and of course, straight up, Ebuka went into the house and of course evicted Pere from the house, from the mansion, but not from the game.
Pere, please leave the Big Brother house.
Now, as soon as Ebuka evicted Pere, he came back to tell us actually that, you know what, Pere has been evicted from the mansion, but not from the show itself. And he said he was going to tell us more about that as the show proceeded. And then Ebuka came back into the house and started having a chat with the housemates. And first off, he asked Emmanuel what informed his decision in choosing Cross as the deputy head of house to Likoros. So Emmanuel was like, you know what, himself and Cross were the people who, you know, were tying. They were the last two people who were vying for the position of the ultimate veto power holder, right? And of course, looking at the fact that Cross really tried in winning, he just felt like, you know what, let me give it to this guy. He really fought for it. And of course, it wouldn't be a bad idea if Cross became the deputy head of house, of course, having the straight up tickets to enter into the finals.
No, not necessarily. He actually deserves it because he put in a lot of work to get in.
Ebuka then crossed to Likoros and asked her if she was really comfortable with Emmanuel's decision to choose Cross as the deputy head of house. And you know, Likoros was like, she was also blank at that point, you know, when Emmanuel was trying to choose a deputy head of house. But of course, she's really cool, and she was really cool with the decision Emmanuel made.
Yes, because for that moment I was blank. I didn't have anybody in mind for him to pick actually. So yeah, if I was in his position, I think I'll do the same.
After that, Ebuka now asked Cross how he felt that Emmanuel chose him as the deputy head of house, right? And you know, Cross was like, you know, he found it a very great honor and privilege that Emmanuel chose him, and of course, straight up is in the finals.
Very, very like honored. So whenever I see her in the room, I try and give her space, try and make sure the room is clean, make sure the bathroom is clean for her to use.
After that, Ebuka moved back into the house, and straight up, Queen was evicted from the show.
Queen, please leave the Big Brother house.
Then Ebuka got chatting with Queen and was asking Queen how she felt being evicted from the show. And you know, Queen was like, she was really shocked that she came into the house with a winning mentality and she really wanted to win the show, right?
I'm shocked.
Why are you shocked?
Coming into the Big Brother house, I actually came in here with the winning mindset. So being evicted is actually a really big surprise to me, but it's fine.
And then Ebuka now asked her, what's up with you and White Money, right? She said White Money is a good guy. She's her friend, of course, you know. He really stood by her. He pampered her and gave her all the support he could give her.
He was really nice to me, pampered me, and, you know, came through for me and had my back 100 in the house.
And then Ebuka asked her if she's open to anything with White Money outside of the house. She was like, yeah, she's open to anything. She's open to a relationship with White Money.
But you're open to something.
Anything.
Oh, shit.
And then after that conversation, Ebuka went back into the house and Nini was evicted. And you literally needed to see the way Saga was shocked.
Nini.
Ebuka then got into a conversation with Nini. Straight up, it was about Saga, right? And Ebuka was asking, you know, Nini, do you miss Saga? She just left the house and he was asking her, do you miss Saga? And you know, Nini was like, not yet, that she doesn't miss Saga. Literally, from my expression, you could literally know that she probably does not even give a damn about Saga.
Are you missing Saga already?
Not yet.
Why?
I just came out. I still have a lot of emotions, so yeah.
And then the conversation about Saga with Nini got deeper. And Ebuka was like, okay, so you know, your boyfriend or Saga? And you know, Nini was like, oh, what a comparison. It was more like, why would you compare my boyfriend with Saga, or my boyfriend Saga, right? And she was like, come on, my boyfriend, I'm in a relationship. I've said it over and over, and I am in a relationship, and there's no going back on that.
Saga or your boyfriend, where do they stand now?
Oh, wow, what a comparison. I'm in a relationship and that's it.
Okay.
After that, Ebuka crossed over into the house and straight up Saga was evicted.
Saga.
After Saga was evicted from the show, right? Ebuka had a conversation with him, right? And straight up was asking Saga, what's up with you and Nini? And he was like, you know what? There was no way he could have lived in that house without Nini for 1 week, and that they had really understood each other, that even if they didn't say a word to each other, they knew what they were conversing about, right? Ebuka then asked him, but you know that this girl has a boyfriend. There's a boyfriend situationship out there. He said he understands, right? And that was one of the things I think I like he said tonight. He understands that Nini has a boyfriend, and of course, he respects that decision that Nini has chosen.
But like a proper relationship with her?
No, she has a boyfriend.
Okay, so you respect that? I respect of definitely. Very well. So then we could be friends.
And then Ibuka went back into the house, this time evicting Angel from the mansion and moving her to where Pere was, the White Room. So here's the twist about the White Room. There are 2 people in the White Room, Pere and of course Angel. And there are 4 people in the mansion, right? Emmanuel, Licoros, Cross, and of course White Money. So Big Brother is giving them a game of screws and toys, right? So here's the game. There's a white bulb in that place that is going to be switched on for them to start the game, right? As soon as the bulb switches off, they must stop whatever they're doing. There's a truck in front of them. They have trucks in front of them. They have to unscrew the trucks, the body part of the trucks, to 54 pieces and 23 screws. So this is it. Once they are done unscrewing that truck, each of them must have 54 body parts of the truck and of course 23 screws from that truck.
Listen carefully. Placed in front of you are 2 identical toys.
Whoever finishes first, either finishes first by virtue of them finishing and unscrewing it, or is the highest in terms of the number of screws and body part, by the time the light goes off, is the winner of that game and moves back into the house, most likely tomorrow. Who do you think will win this game tonight? And let me know what you think about the whole eviction show drama that happened tonight. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification button, guys, so you get notified whenever I post a video. Go on all social media platforms on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, and of course on TikTok, and follow me at the Femi Daniel. Until next time I come to you very soon, it's bye for now.